Hello everyone, how are you all doing, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Bibi if this is your first time here. Today's video is a vlog situation. In the evening, me and the hubby have a date night out. We are going to see the reenacting of the boxing match that took place in the Congo in 1974 that involved Muhammad Ali. So that should be really fun. We haven't been out in a million years, so really looking forward to that. I thought I would quickly introduce the video now because I know for sure that I'll be pressed for time later on. Saturdays are usually quite busy for me anyway around the house, just trying to get the house together. And also when the kids get up, it then becomes difficult to shut them up so I can do any talking without background noise. So why not do it now? Anyway, that's the intro. I will see you guys around and a bit later. Before, so put in some eggs,
We're not fine. No, we're bread.
you
Bueno.
for rice. What did I do this? Some mixed veg. Okay, put the egg back in. Sausage. And lastly, some rice. Get some light soy sauce. Rice. Hey guys, so I thought I would jump on here quickly just to show you what I'm wearing because we are running late and I need to get out of here. I've got on this shirt from H&M. It's like a faux leather shirt with these cutouts, so pretty. I've got my black Zara bodysuit underneath. Also, I have paired it with faux leather skirt. This is from Zara. It's midi length. And then I've got my sock boots on just because it's really cold. I could have worn it, actually worn it with my chunky boots, but I wanted to look a bit fancy. So fancy but warm. So I thought these sock boots are the way to go. And my earrings are from COS, and that's the only jewelry I'm wearing today. So these earrings from COS, and this bag from Reese, which I've had for years and years and years. One of my absolute favorites. Love it. Yeah. So cool. We are ready to rock and roll.
Customers are requested to keep their possessions with them at all times. When leaving this station or when leaving your train, please ensure that you take everything with you. Any unattended bag or other item of luggage will be removed and may be destroyed. Thank you.
We have our brothers and sisters from America, South America, Europe, and the rest of Africa coming back home to us. My people, I present to you Foreman Ali. Please say hello.
I'm saying, because the people of Zaire don't need this fight. And this moment of our history, we need to have education in Zaire. We need the people of Zaire.
A collective identity can only be fostered if we have places of learning, and you're saying Mobutu is closing the universities here?
How does that even make sense to our people? Even to you? People are going to come to my country. The university that we have in Zaire has been closed 8 years ago. 8 years ago.
See us as we see ourselves, not as caricatures. And this is all done to his great work.
Ticketed for the head of Muhammad Ali that went sailing over his right shoulder. Now we don't see any puffiness over the right eye of Foreman. That right eye that was established only a few weeks ago in training, even though Ali has hit him on the button a few times. But that was a good right hand, taken on the left hand side of the jaw of Muhammad Ali.
Zambanam guy, how is Ali even taking this beating?
He's so strong.
Hi everyone, I do hope you enjoyed watching that. I'm just going to close this off. I didn't get to speak much throughout the whole vlog because it was quite noisy in there and I just felt a bit shy vlogging and saying stuff. It wasn't easy trying to get those footage because you just wanted to be in the moment. It was quite engaging, so it was asking for attention, but the whole play was really good. Definitely a thumbs up from me. I thought it was really engaging. I thought it was very well thought out. The only downside I would say was the food was way too expensive for the portion that you were getting. I just thought that was a bit extortionate, but on the whole a very good experience. Yeah, very good experience, very good actually, and kid friendly, very kid friendly. So next time if they do hold something like that, I will definitely be taking the kids, the older ones anyway. I think they would really enjoy it. Yes, it was good. It was good because every now and again there would be snippets of actual footage of what went on that day, of the boxing, or what went on when they were over there in the Congo. So that was also good to see, and how it compared. That was good to see in comparison to the play, and they would have that as well in the ring every now and again. And they were really good actors, and it was so and it was so good to see that down to the moves, the boxers had it down to the moves, and you could see it synchronizing with the footage because they had like a backdrop of the actual footage, and then they had the play going on. So they really had that, they held that down, they really had that down to a T. So it was really good. Yes, on the whole, a very good night. A well-deserved date night, a well overdue, I should say, way overdue date night. We don't really get to go out much, so it was good to do that. It was good to do that, and we really enjoyed it. Yeah, so anyway, gonna wrap it up there. Hope to see you on the next one.